My name is Chester Donath. I served in 3rd Ranger Battalion, 75th Ranger Regiment, as well as Bravo 38 Cav, long-range surveillance. I deployed multiple times for Operation Enduring Freedom, as well as Operation Iraqi Freedom. Although it was a fairly short period of my life, I feel like so much happened in such a short amount of time that it really brought so many memories and lessons from all the experiences that I had. Something that I reflect back on pretty frequently was during our outings in the long-range surveillance unit I was a part of, we would go out for multiple days out in the field, sometimes a week or more, no showers, no hot food, basically MREs, so obviously there was no running water or anything out there, but the standard was still to shave every day. So we had to each morning get up and shave, and when you think of Iraq, you think of a hot desert, but during the wintertime it got to be fairly cold, especially during the night and in the mornings. So you don't have a water heater out there, you have no way to heat up your water, and so we would be out there scraping the hair off of our faces. A lot of times you could try to do like dry shaving, but if you wanted some moisture or something, you could grab like really cold, ice cold water and splash it on your face, and then just like scrape the hair off your face. But there was no like shaving cream or any like lotions out there. We didn't have that stuff. Sometimes I'd take a couple MRE heaters or something, throw some water in a bag, try to like warm it up just a little bit, and it'd never get it really hot, but it'd be sometimes like lukewarm. Like if we had the time, I would try to do that, but it was still just like, remember it, just such a miserable feeling to like get up in the morning when you already, it's not like we had like fresh coffee brewing or anything, it was like crappy MRE coffee, and just get up in the morning, you're freaking cold, you're tired because you were on guard shift or whatever multiple times during the night, and you just gotta like start scraping away at your face to try to shave, halfway decent. And when I think back to that, I think it was like a little thing, but it was just like so miserable. And now every time that I shave, I always think back to that and think how good I got it now. And I have it that good because of the men and women that continue to serve, have served, and are currently serving. I have the utmost respect for every single veteran that's ever served, and I do have a special place in my heart for those of us who are combat veterans who are really in exiting the FOB and actually in firefights and kind of on the front lines. Like I said, I have utmost respect for every veteran, but that brotherhood of infantry guys, combat arms guys, I have like kind of a connection somewhat to, I know how crappy sometimes it could get, and I just have a deep appreciation for the guys who signed up for those hard jobs, and they could have easily got a nice cushy office job and had warm water every day. But those guys that volunteered, and then they volunteered again to do, be on the front lines and to be in combat, that is, I just have an intense respect for everyone who has done that and signs up for that. So, this Veterans Day, whatever you think about, I'll be thinking about those cold, miserable shaves in Iraq and just how good we really do have it in America, and just always appreciate that. Always appreciate even those little things that you have, and remember that it does come as a price. Happy Veterans Day to all those who have served, who are serving currently, and who will be serving in the future.